Opening the NovaPulse Holographic Desk Lamp, the box reveals a glassy base, a slim LED arm, and a compact hollow projector. The aluminum finish feels premium, magnetic joints click smoothly, and an app lets you sculpt light in real time. Setup is quick. Just snap the base, plug in the puck, pair via Bluetooth, and watch the hologram bloom. In my test, the color range shifts from warm amber to cool blue, brightness is adjustable, and the touch panel feels responsive. For creators craving futuristic aesthetics with practical ambient lighting, this lamp earns top marks for design and usability.